Hello. Well, the very lovely people at Get the Gloss have asked me to get the gloss in 7. So this is my 7-minute makeup look. And actually having 7 minutes to do my own makeup is a luxury in this household with 3 kids in it and working full time. So I found a timer and I'm going to set it to 7. And this is a really annoying timer because it ticks really loudly. Anyway, first prep is always skincare. And AHC Aqualaronic Emulsion is brilliant because this, in just 3 pumps, really hydrates the skin. It's got 3 different sized molecules of hyaluronic acid in it. And so your skin is incredibly hydrated really quickly, but it works as a beautiful base for your makeup. Don't forget the neck, always important. You'll thank me later. And it doesn't pill under makeup, but your skin just feels so soft and lovely afterwards. Rub your excess on the back of the hands. And then I also like a bit of By Terry lip balm. This is the Almond Rose, which is the most luxurious lip balm I think I've ever used. It's literally a never-ending little pot. It's brilliant. Now, I like concealer. I don't tend to wear foundation. And I keep coming back to Sisley Phyto Cerns Eclat, which is their number 2 shade, which is kind of quite peachy, so it's really good for hiding these dark circles. Has a little applicator, but I actually just prefer putting a little bit on my finger, like that, and coming right under here. You can see how that peach just takes away any darkness immediately. And because the skin's nicely hydrated from that lovely emulsion, everything just blends in. I sort of just pat it under the eye and then down in sort of triangular mode, like that. And it just blends in, hides that little bit of redness there. And come over the top of the eyelid as well. Other eye. It's a really lovely texture, this, and it's got the added benefits of eye care in it. So you're actually concealing, but also helping the eye area, so your eye area remains nice and hydrated throughout the day. There, slightly more awake. Cool. Now, eyelashes. I've got very fair eyelashes. They're not particularly long, but I do curl them. And I like this eyelash curler, which is from Surat, and it's not too curved, it's actually more oval, so you're less likely to catch your eyelid in it, which is really useful. A good face to pull with that. And because my eyelashes are fair, I like a really good, why are you making a noise? You have time, you have time. Westman Atelier, her mascara is so beautiful. This is called, I think what did she call it? I Love You Mascara. And it's a really good black, lovely brush, and it gives you soft, fluffy, fat lashes. And you can do 1 coat, or if you're gonna vamp it up, do double coat. It doesn't flake, it doesn't drop. It's a really very pretty mascara. However, this brush is perfect. It coats each individual eyelash, it doesn't make them stick together. I love it. I think, yeah, let's put a little bit on the bottom. Just a little bit. You keep brushing through, you end up with sort of really lovely sort of fat, fluffy eyelashes. Perfect. Now for the face, I love Chanel, and this is their Universal Healthy Glow Bronzing Cream, and it's a really lovely texture. I just use a fat brush, this one's from My Kitco, like that, and I come under the cheekbone, just creating a little bit of warmth, pretending there's more of a cheekbone there than there actually is. Around the hairline too. Give a little bit of shape, always quite good under the jawline, but you can blend this all over. It's so lovely and it's good for the boys as well as the girls. Sometimes quite nice, just a little bit under the brow bone too. Nice, and that just sits perfectly in the skin. Then eyebrows. I haven't got a lot of eyebrow, but I do like Charlotte Tilbury's Legendary Brows range. They're very good. This is the Micro Precision Gel, and it's a tiny weeny brush, and it's in taupe. So I just come along here and I literally just coat the eyebrow that I want you to see. It doesn't dry crispy either, which is something I absolutely hate. And it adds a little bit of texture to your brow. Not getting it in my hair, but quite natural. Now the last bit, and I think I've got, it's hard to tell, but I think I've got a minute. Red lipstick. Hides a multitude of sins, very distracting. This is beautiful, it's number 36, and it's from Givenchy, and it's the deep velvet. And I would just go straight in. It's a velvet lipstick texture, so it's not too matte so it doesn't feel dry, and it's not too shiny so it doesn't feel like it's going to move, but it will last, and the colour pigment is amazing. I love it. So that's my 7-minute makeup look, and I've even got 30 seconds to spare.